Hey guys, today we're back out at St Patrick's River. Gonna hopefully get some more good ones. Good day for it, pretty overcast. There'll be some fish about, I reckon. A lot of birds. Yeah, get back to you when I'm fishing. Chilly today guys, again. Just gonna walk up the river, find some spots on the way. Have a good look. We're on, guys. Got him. Good one, guys. Nice golden, and he's missing an eye. Good brown. It feels nice. Here's a nice one. There's a good brown there, guys. He's a very nice fish. There's a nice brown, guys. Got some nice colours on him. Good one. Good one, guys. I'll keep him, he's a good one. Bring him into land. Pick him up. Bring him over. Another nice one. He's probably a 1.5, 1 pounder. Good one. Got a good hook on him. Yeah, easy. Get it out to him. Having a good look. Another one, guys. Same hole. There's another nice gold. Good one, guys. Once again, nice one. Good one, guys. Oh, whoa. Oh, he's a nice one. Still going back. Beautiful gold, guys. Once again, just a nice one. 6th fish of the day. Just gonna put him back though. There he goes. Awesome. These are the fish we got today, guys. We got a brown and 2 golds, and then I got all up. We got another 5 golds combined with me and my dad. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in other videos. See yous.